welcome to my new channel Gaming Tycoon. Well, as the name states, we would play Tycoon games, or rather, we would modify the resources tag and enjoy the upgrades rather than spending an eternity over the upgrades, and at a certain point, when you purchase a new island, you would require to do the same. So, in this tutorial, we would solve those problems and make access to unlimited resources. Disclaimer for those guys who would like to play games the common manner. I request those guys to move on, as you will hate the concept of altering changes to a perfectly performing game. Alright, now let's view the park under the current condition. And as you would witness, we have an infinite amount of money here, which would never reduce even if we lavishly spend a large amount of money until the maximum upgrades of each attraction. But before we move on to the next island, let's claim some of the rewards available in the current one. And now let's head to the next island. Previously, we had infinite amount of money and max levels of attraction, but in the new island, none of those money actually account here. So in order to obtain the same, let's perform a single function, clear the game from the home screen and start from the beginning. And there we go. So we could use this money to upgrade the attractions or to head towards the next island. Either one is of our own wish. So now let's update these attractions, and at the end of the video, you will know how to make an infinite amount of money and to save the progress. In this manner, we were able to max out the attractions and proceed to the next island. So how exactly could we do that? And how to repeat the same for another theme park available? Well, to answer these questions, you may have to follow certain procedures. The first thing you have to do is to download the application named Code Editor and allow the access to the file manager. The link for the same would be available in the description below. The second step is to locate the file where we need to access the resources, and in order to access the same, kindly ensure to access the path specified very carefully. Click the file icon available in the top right corner and go to the Open as SAP folder from the application. Now you would be able to view the name of your device in the display. Go to Android and test the file containing data. So here you would be able to locate the folder named Kodi Games. Access the files inside it, and now you may have reached the final destination. Turns out that the attribute we had to modify is named as money in the idle.tycoon. So we search the word money in order to increase the span of money using several digits of number. Or we could simply add a caps E with 1000 in the prefix and a +100 in the suffix. Either of this would modify the result in the game. Feel free to check the entire file using the arrow operations available in the top right corner. Hence, if you identify multiple parameters highlighted with golden rectangle as in the current slide, increment the same, which would ultimately change the amount present in the game itself. And when you are done, save the file and refresh the game by clearing all the recent activities. And now if we access the park, as you could see, the changes has been modified. We had successfully updated the current island of Aquapark. I hope this method works for you, and if it doesn't, please retry the procedure. Thank you for watching this video, and if you're new to our channel, feel free to post a comment and don't forget to subscribe. I will meet you guys in another interesting video.